ChatGPT can be a lifesaver when you need to put together a CV or cover letter for a job opportunity. But if you're making one of these 3 mistakes, you could be axing your application before you've even sent it off to the employer. Hi, I'm Seb from CV Genius, and today I'm going to walk you through 3 ChatGPT mistakes you should know about before you start work on your job application. Mistake 1. Not giving enough context. This is one of the main reasons you'll hear people say that ChatGPT only gives them generic, unoriginal answers. If you want GPT to write a CV for you, it will do that. It will write you a CV for a job, but it won't tailor that CV to your needs or the employer's expectations. So what you'll get is a CV that at best is very vague and at worst is just flat out false. So how do you avoid this outcome? Instead of giving ChatGPT an open-ended command, aka write me a CV for X job, train it to give you the kind of CV that you would send the employer by telling it to ask you questions. Act as a careers coach with 20 years of CV writing experience. Help me write my CV for the job below by asking me relevant questions and building out my CV section by section. Here is the job description. So now you're giving ChatGPT a specific job opportunity to write the CV for, and you're telling it to find out about you. This does involve a bit more manual work because you'll need to answer GPT's questions, but what you'll get is a document that actually highlights your best skills that are relevant for the job. Go ahead and compare the 2 prompts I just showed you, and you'll see a massive difference in the quality of CV that ChatGPT delivers. And by the way, if you need it, I actually have a step-by-step guide to creating a CV with ChatGPT. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Mistake 2. Not providing specific examples. ChatGPT can write a lot of content for you in seconds, but what it can't do is recount past events from your life. And that matters because employers want to see specific examples of your skills and achievements. Those kinds of details are essential to demonstrating whether you're good for the job. ChatGPT can't write your specific examples for you, but it can give you lots of examples that you can use to demonstrate specific skills. You can do this by putting ChatGPT in the role of an employer and having it ask you follow-up questions. Act as if you want to hire a receptionist for your busy travel agency. Ask me follow-up questions about this line from my cover letter. As you can see, this prompts GPT to pull up a list of highly relevant questions the employer might have. You can then use these as inspiration for some compelling real-life examples that will highlight your suitability for the job. Best of all, you can use this approach to prep your CV, cover letter, and job interview. Mistake number 3. Not proofreading properly. ChatGPT has a lot to say, and often this can produce very wordy, long content that no one wants to read. Even the most desperate employer is going to lose interest if you send them a 1,000-word cover letter. Read through your ChatGPT CV or cover letter and remove any words that are unnecessary or that repeat information. You should also replace any vague details with specific examples backed up by hard numbers to make your experience really stand out to the employer. Cutting down on wordiness will make your application more engaging and demonstrate that you've put thought and effort into your job application, even if you used AI to write the first draft. And there you have it. Avoid these common pitfalls and you'll be on your way to creating a standout job application with ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us reach more job seekers and help them chase the careers they're after. On that note, good luck with your job application, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye!